In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply 2 by 2 matrices. So in the first problem, they want us to do C times D. So it's important that you keep it in the order that they tell you. So C is 3, 0, negative 3, negative 1, and I'm going to multiply that times D, which is negative 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so the way that it goes is your answer, since this is a 2 by 2 and this is a 2 by 2, these two numbers have to be the same in order for you to be allowed to multiply them. And then your answer will be this result, a 2 by 2. So we know we're going to get an answer that is also a 2 by 2. And this is how we do it. In order to get this first number here, we're going to multiply the first row times the first column. And this is how it will look. So 3 times negative 1 plus 0 times 1. And so 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 0 times 1 is 0. Negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3. So that's the answer for that first position. Okay, the second position right here, so this is what we're going for, is going to be the first row times the second column. So I'm going to have 3 times 2 plus 0 times 3. So this will give me 6 plus 0, which is 6. All right, the next one is in the second row, first column. So I'm going to do the second row with the first column. So negative 3 times negative 1 plus negative 1 times 1. So this is 3 plus negative 1 gives me 2. And then this guy is in the second row and second column. So I'm going to do the second row with the second column. So negative 3 times 2 plus negative 1 times 3. So this is negative 6 plus negative 3 gives me negative 9. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so in the next question, they ask us to calculate D times C. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to rewrite this so that we can keep everything in order. So D times C would be negative 1, 2, 1, 3 times 3, 0, negative 3, negative 1. Okay. This first position is the first row, first column. So I'm going to do first row with first column, and I'm going to get negative 1 times 3 plus 2 times negative 3. So that's negative 3 and negative 6 is negative 9. This position is the first row, second column. So I'm going to do first row, second column, negative 1 times 0 plus 2 times negative 1. 0 minus 2 gives me minus 2. This position is the second row, first column. So I'm going to go second row, first column. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times negative 3 is -9. 3 and -9 is -6. And then finally, this is the second row, second column. So I'll do second row, second column. I have 1 times 0 plus 3 times -1 is -3. Okay, so the last one is done the same. It's just a little confusing to figure out what they mean by c squared. So what we want to do is set up c squared. And c squared is nothing more than c times c. So I'm going to go 3, 0, -3, -1 times 3, 0, -3, -1. Okay, again, I'm going to get a 2 by 2 as an answer. So this is the first row, first column. First row, first column. 3 times 3 plus 0 times -3 will give me 9. This is first row, second column. First row, second column is 3 times 0 plus 0 times -1 will give me 0. This is second row, first column. Second row, first column would be -3 times 3 plus -1 times -3. So it's -9 plus 3 is -6. And then this one is the second row, second column. Second row, second column will give me -3 times 0 plus -1 times -1, which is 0 plus 1 will give me 1. Okay, and that's it for that.